Postgres, the open source relational database. This will be your guide to install and use on Windows. For this, there's a couple requirements. First, you'll need admin authorization, and secondly, you'll need Winget. Winget is built into Windows 10 and 11. It's Microsoft's official package manager. Now, to install, all you need to do is open up the terminal, type winget space install space id.postgresql.postgresql. Hit enter, it'll begin installing, it'll prompt you with an admin authorization, hit yes, and then it will complete the installation. Now to use Postgres, all you need to do is open up your terminal, type psql space a little dash, a capital U, space Postgres, all lower cases. Hit enter, it'll ask you for a password. The password by default is also Postgres. Once you're in PSQL, you can write all your SQL commands. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and for future content like this, please subscribe.